Today we're making the quiche Lorraine, a French classic. This savory pie is made with creamy eggs, cheese, and smoky bacon. It's perfect for brunch, lunch, or even a light dinner. First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and roll out your pastry. I'm using a store-bought one, but you can make your own. Press it into a tart pan, prick the bottom with a fork and pre-bake it for 10 minutes. This will keep the crust nice and crispy. While the crust is baking, cook the bacon until golden and slightly crispy. We're almost there. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs, cream, milk, salt, pepper and a pinch of nutmeg. Add in the grated Gruyère cheese and mix well. Once the crust is pre-baked, spread the bacon evenly over the bottom, then pour the egg mixture on top. Make sure it's all nice and smooth. Now we just have to bake it. We're gonna bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is slightly browned and firm to the touch. And there you have it. Your quiche Lorraine is ready. Let it cool slightly before slicing and serving. It's delicious warm or at room temperature. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell for more French recipes every week. See you next time.